scared of Jupiter at some stage and thought, what if I got sucked into it? Or what if I somehow teleported and fell into it? Or what if the Earth got sucked in by it? But of course, there will always be that small aspect of being frightened, but compared to Tres 4, this planet is absolutely tiny. But here is my point of view of Jupiter and what you need to know. So ladies and gents, please sit back, because this is the unexpected truths about Jupiter. Jupiter has a very cold temperature. It is an average temperature of negative 110 degrees Celsius, with it being the largest in our solar system's planetary atmosphere. It is compressed of mostly hydrogen, which is approximately 90%, and then it has small percentages of helium, that is 10%, and with it, it just has some minor amounts of methane, ammonia, and other traces of cool gases and aerosols. Here are some facts about the planet, just to show how large and incredible it really is. 142,984 kilometers. This is 11 times that of our planet Earth. This big gas giant is more than 2 times as massive as all the other awesome planets in our solar system combined, and it is a whopping 312 times as massive as Earth. 1,321 Earths could fit inside of Jupiter. It has a surface area of under 61.5 billion square kilometers, which is a big 312 times of Earth. Gravity, well, the gravity on this thing is 24.9 ms squared, and that is 2.5 times of Earth. It has a density of 1.326 kilograms m cubed, and that's only 0.24 times of Earth's. It has an average distance from the Sun as 5.2 times the Earth's distance from the Sun. Its length of day is 9.93 hours, which is a lot because we have 24 hours, and this thing almost chops at more than half. It has a length of year of 11.86 Earth years, which then is a lot. People still don't know how deep down there and what is down there, but we do think we know Jupiter's central core is made of solid materials, or if it may be thick and super hot. It could be up to 25,000 degrees Kelvin, which is 44,500 degrees Fahrenheit, or 24,700 degrees Celsius down under there. But it's mostly made out of iron and silicate materials. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is an amazing old enormous storm system on Jupiter. It is so big that it is the main thing that stands out on the planet, and the most biggest feature of its visible cloud surface. It is generally reddish in color with a slight oval shape and approximately 16,350 kilometers. That's about 10,159 miles. It is wide enough to engulf Earth 3 times if it really wanted to. When it moves in longitude with respect to the clouds as Jupiter rotates, but the Great Red Spot remains centered at the latitude 22 degrees south. The largest and most powerful hurricanes ever recorded here on Earth span over 1,000 miles across, with winds gusting up to 200 miles per hour. That's wide enough to stretch across nearly all the US states of east of Texas. But even that kind of storm is better to be in than being in Jupiter's Great Red Spot by far. With tremendous winds peaking up to about 400 miles per hour, the Great Red Spot has been swirling widely over Jupiter's skies for the past 150 years, maybe even much longer than that. While people saw a big red spot in Jupiter as early as they started stargazing through their telescopes in the 1600s, it is still unclear whether they were looking at a different storm. But today scientists know the Great Red Spot is there, and it has been for a while. But they still struggle to learn what causes its swirls and reddish hues to be there. I hope you guys liked the video. I just want to say thank you so much for 100 subs. It means a lot. I will be making a video about mission juice, so stay tuned and visit NASA.gov if you need to find out more information of what we've talked about in this video. Let me know what planet you want me to do next for episode 3. But for now, bye.